Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Great Pyrenees that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach. Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach is a thoughtfully crafted dog food that caters to the special dietary needs of canines with delicate systems. As an expert on pet nutrition, I found this salmon and rice formula to stand out for its high-quality ingredients, notably real salmon as the first ingredient, which is a superb protein source vital for muscle maintenance. This formula excels in digestibility because oatmeal is one of its core components, gentle even on the most sensitive stomachs. This Purina blend fosters skin health with sunflower oil abundant in omega-6 fatty acids, crucial for a shiny coat and resilient skin. Any Great Pyrenees owner would appreciate this, given their breed's thick fur. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hill Science Diet Adult Large Breed Dry Dog Food. Regarding nourishing your four-legged companion, Hill Science Diet Adult Large Breed Dry Dog Food stands out as a robust option tailored for the unique needs of larger breeds. Formulated with high-quality protein, it bolsters lean muscle maintenance vital for dogs such as Great Pyrenees. This recipe also includes glucosamine and chondroitin, essential components for supporting joint health. This is a crucial aspect considering the significant weight these gentle giants carry. Hill's takes skin and coat care seriously by enriching this dog food with omega-6 fatty acids and vitamin E, ensuring your furry friend stays dapper with a glossy shine that reflects their overall well-being. Owners will appreciate the frustration-free packaging that makes serving meals convenient while keeping the kibble fresh. At number 3, we have the Nature's Recipe Dry Dog Food. Nature's Recipe Dry Dog Food offers a grain-free meal that caters to our canine companions' discerning palates and specific needs. Its primary ingredient, real salmon, provides high-quality protein essential for maintaining strong muscles, an important factor, especially for larger breeds like Great Pyrenees, who thrive on sturdy physique support. This dog food goes beyond just muscle maintenance. It's artfully crafted with sweet potatoes and pumpkin, two nutrient-dense carbohydrates high in fiber, which are key contributors to healthy digestion and immune system support. The blend is heightened nutritionally with added vitamins, minerals, and nutrients tailored to adult dogs' well-being. Owners can take comfort in knowing the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids from the salmon contribute greatly to skin and coat health, a notable benefit when managing your furry friend's often thick fur. Moreover, antioxidants such as zinc and vitamin E are integrated into this formula to bolster their immune systems. At number 2, we have the Purina ONE Plus Large Breed Puppy Food Dry Formula. Purina ONE Plus Large Breed Puppy Food Dry Formula offers a robust foundation for your young canine companions, especially those who will grow up to be gentle giants like Great Pyrenees. Understanding the unique needs of large breed puppies, this formula paves the way for healthy development with high-quality protein sourced from real chicken, a vital ingredient that aids in building strong muscles and a hearty heart. Enriched with DHA found in mother's milk, it lays critical groundwork for cognitive development and health. The blend doesn't stop at muscle growth. It has an acute focus on joint support. The inclusion of natural glucosamine ensures your puppy's rapid growth is matched by proper skeletal strengthening, which is essential for breeds prone to joint issues. Additionally, Purina ONE Plus supports digestive wellness with rice formulated specifically for sensitive stomachs and adds vibrancy to coats thanks to omega-6 fatty acids. And finally, at number 1, we have the NUTRO Ultra Adult Large Breed Dog Food. NUTRO Ultra Adult Large Breed Dog Food stands out as a great choice, especially for sizable canine companions such as the Great Pyrenees. With its trio of proteins sourced from chicken, lamb, and salmon, this high-quality dry dog food meets their dietary requirements. Not only does it provide the essential protein needed to maintain their large muscle mass and joint health, but it also boasts a meticulous blend of 15 superfoods. These include coconut and blueberries, catering to their unique nutritional needs. Owners of Great Pyrenees will appreciate how NUTRO Ultra has balanced taste with nutrition without compromising on either. The inclusion of non-GMO ingredients reflects a strong commitment to purity and safety in every bowl served. Furthermore, by steering clear of additives like artificial colors or preservatives and common allergens, such as corn or wheat protein, this brand positions itself as an ally in promoting overall health for your furry family member. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.